Hello students, today we are going to study about environmental balance. In previous lecture we have seen about the food web and the food chains. So to maintain the environmental balance, there are various cycles which should go on without interruption. Clear with this? Those cycles are known as carbon dioxide oxygen cycle and water cycle, which we have studied in previous lesson. Yes or no? So see, now in the presence of sunlight, the trees or plants prepare their food. They take in carbon dioxide present in the air for preparation of food and give out oxygen. What we human beings and animals do, we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So this cycle is going on continuously. If any interruption comes in this cycle, our environmental balance will not be maintained properly. So to maintain the environmental balance, this cycle of carbon dioxide and oxygen should go on uninterrupted. Now which cycle we have studied in our previous chapter, that is water cycle. Yes or no? Due to the heat of the sun, the water gets evaporated. Yes, evaporation. This water, when it gets evaporated, it turns into vapor form and forms various droplets of water. When these droplets of water condenses, or that is cools down, they come on the earth in the form of rain. This rainwater then goes and meets into the rivers and other oceans. Again this water is evaporated and condensation process takes place. So this is the cycle which is going on continuously in the environment. These cycles also help to maintain environmental balance. Like this, we have seen many food chains, such as grass eats grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle. Yes, grass eaten by rabbit, rabbit eaten by eagle, grass eaten by deer, deer eaten by tiger. When all these food chains and all these cycles go on uninterrupted, then our environmental balance is maintained. Now see, environmental balance. There are many food chains in our environment. Because of these food chains, every living thing gets the food it needs and therefore continues to live. Yes or no? If we are getting the food, we live on the earth's surface. Yes or no? Microorganisms living in the soil help the process of decomposition. Very important line. Who helps the process of decomposition? The microorganisms which are present in the soil help the process of decomposition of plant residue, dead animals, excreta, etc. As a result, substances that help the growth of plants are formed and get added to the soil. Plants use them for their growth. So these substances are known as the nutrients. Clear with this? Out of what it is made? It is made due to the decomposition of dead animals and plant residues. Clear with this? Plants use them for their growth. Thus, plants use substances in the soil for their growth, and when plants and animals die, the decomposition of their remains adds these substances to the soil once again. This is an important cycle in the environment. Also, living things get a continuous supply of water because of the water cycle. We have studied about this in the previous chapter. Living things use oxygen from the air for breathing and give out carbon dioxide gas. Yes or no? Plants use the carbon dioxide from the air for making their food. Oxygen is given out in this process and gets added to the air again. This too is a cycle in the nature. Now only we have seen. There are several other such cycles in the nature. Thus, there is interaction amongst living things and between non-living things. Living and non-living things in the nature. The interactions go on continuously. This helps to maintain the food chains in the environment. When the various cycles in the environment go on uninterrupted, the environmental balance gets maintained. Clear with this? So, all the cycles present in the environment may be oxygen carbon dioxide cycle as in this picture and water cycle as in this picture, and the various food chains which we have studied previously, when these all things go on uninterrupted without any break, that time we say that environmental balance is maintained. Clear with the lesson? Yes, you have to do the assignment, and in next period you are going to get a test to write on this lesson. Thank you.